Smai pawb, sydd hello everyone, how are we all? Well, I thought I'd just jump on with this quick video. Let's move you, I can't move you up anymore. It seems a bit close. I'll do that. No, do that. There we go. It'll have to be like that today. Okay, sorry about that. It's focusing in more than I was expecting. Anyway, I thought I'd just jump on with this quick video just to show you what I ordered recently from Stampin Up. I had a couple of customer orders. Makes it sound really good, doesn't it? I have two customers. One who now lives in Colwyn Bay and one who lives in Ross-on-Sea, which is very nice. So let's start with one of the customer orders. She ordered the Easter Lilies bundle, which is the stamp set, and then the die set, which I bought myself. Oh, did I buy them before Christmas or after? Anyway, I think I've shown them in a previous video of a haul of stuff that I did. So anyway, she ordered Easter Lilies bundle, which is the stamps and the dies, and then also the Thoughtful Expressions bundle, which is also stamps and more dies. And because she bought those, she was eligible for 2 lots of free items, one of which, I can't get it out, it's right at the bottom. One of which was the Flight and Airy paper, and the other one was the Softly Stippled, which I've already started to put in her bag. So I'll just put that to one side, and I'll put those to one side. So I should be giving those to her tomorrow at church, because that's my friend who does the charity table at church. So, and we're doing the Easter cards for everybody at church, so we're going to make 30 each. We think should cover all the families that we definitely know about, and a few extras, and in case we get any visitors on Easter Sunday. Now, my other customer bought mostly, in fact I think everything she bought was from the clearance rack. So she bought Handmade Wishes, which was one of the Christmas mini catalogues items, and actually it's one of the ones that I'd been umming and ahhing about, so I bought one for myself as well. So stick that over there. So she bought that, and Hello Harvest again, which is an older one. In fact, I don't know, was that? Yes, it probably was in the Christmas, well, autumn winter mini catalogue. She bought herself a selection of the soft pastels. Now I think I can probably just about open. Can I open these? Yes, I can. I can open these. Ugh. Oh, so I can open these, but no, it's all stuck at the other end. Okay, so no, I can't open them, not without a lot of faff. So obviously these are pastels for drawing with. She's a bit more artistic than me. She bought some of these slimline envelopes, which look really nice. And what was the other thing? Oh yes, and she also ordered this pack of, what's it called? Vellum layering designs. So there's quite a few in there. I can probably open this up to show you. Sorry about the noise. But these look quite interesting. Oh, that's okay. So they're all vellum, but they've all got some sort of design on. So there's this little squares of handwriting, beautiful handwriting, and then there's what looks like a map of somewhere. Just trying to read the language that says Oliver. Oh, I don't know, it could be anywhere, probably America, I would imagine. So there's 2 of those. This one is white typed script. Oh, is that too close? If I have it too far away, you can't see it. If I put it too close, you can't see it because it's blurred. Can't win either way. But it's like newspaper print, but in white. And then there's another map, which looks like the same map to me, in white. And a newspaper print one in black. Oh, sorry if it's strobing. I've got my big light on because it's dark outside. Oh, and then a white version of the handwritten bits in square. So that's quite nice. I don't think I've ever noticed that when it was in whichever catalogue it was in. I don't tend to use vellum a great deal. Although saying that, I managed to buy, was it two packs of plain vellum. Last time I thought I was buying one, and then I must have thought to myself, oh, I haven't ordered the vellum, and ordered it again. I don't know, you can't get the staff, can you? So I shall be seeing her next week, so I can give her those. Now, where am I going to put those? Honestly, if you could see the rest of my desk on either side of here, it's a nightmare. Okay, that's balanced on top of my die cutting machine. I bought the new birthday sparkle kit, which I haven't opened yet, but I will do. I shall do a video for that very shortly. Up there. And then I bought 4 lots of cardstock of colours that I hadn't already got. So I got soft sea foam, which is that lovely, very pale green colour. Pumpkin pie, which is a lovely orangey colour. Pretty peacock, which is that gorgeous sort of teal colour. I love that. And then a set of the 2023-2025 in colour card, which is 5 different colours, and now I'm going to try and remember what they are. Boho blue, copper clay, moody mauve, wild wheat, and pebbled path. I mean, I can open that actually and show you what colours they are. And I also got the pebbled path ink that I hadn't already got, so I now have got a complete set of the 2023-25 in colours in the inks and the cards. So there's boho blue, wild wheat, moody mauve. Oh, is that moody mauve? Yes, copper clay. I'm so busy looking at me inks, I'm not looking at where the thing is. Okay, so boho blue, wild wheat, moody mauve, copper clay, and pebbled path, which is sort of a stone colour really. So I've got those. And the ink pad. Then I also treated myself to some rhinestone basic jewels, which are nice because you don't have to worry about them being the right colour to match anything. And then I also got the 2 ribbons for the in colours, which is the boho blue and the copper clay. So that was pretty much it. They arrived yesterday, and I've only had a chance to open the box today because I've started helping out at the Christian bookshop again for a while, temporarily, because the manager is off sick and the other couple that run it are struggling. So I said, okay, I'll come and help out one day a week. They've reduced the hours, so it's 10 till 4 now every day. And I said, well, I can help out once a week. So that's what I'm doing. So that's where I was yesterday. So I couldn't open my parcel yesterday. Pardon me. And then we've been out this morning because the weather was so beautiful today. The weather was absolutely gorgeous. It's been absolutely grim here. It's been wet, it's been cold, it's been grey. But today the sun was shining. It was a balmy 8 degrees. There was no wind. It was absolutely gorgeous. So we took ourselves down to Aberfalls Distillery for a cup of tea and to pick up some empty bottles, because they're supplying me with empty bottles that I can then turn into bottle lights. Because I did a really good business last year selling bottle lights, but I can't drink enough to warrant having lots and lots of bottles. So I thought to myself, I wonder if they'd let me have them for nothing, because it saves them having to send them to the recycling and pay for it, because most businesses have to pay for their recycling, don't they? So I went and picked those up, which was nice. So I've got 16, I think there were. And then I'm going to go to our other local distillery, which is literally down the road, and ask if they can keep some bottles for me, because they do beautiful bottles. So I will show you some of those when I've got them all washed up and everything. And then we went over to Ynys or Anglesey, as most of you will know it. We haven't been to Anglesey for ages. I mean, ages. So that was quite nice. And we did something we've never done before, although we might have done. We can't really remember. We went into the Waitrose. The only Waitrose in North Wales is on Anglesey. I mean, we don't normally shop at Waitrose, but we saw a TV programme about how a certain type of pasta was made. Now, it's not tortellini, it's not ravioli, it's raviolo, which instead of, ravioli's little squares, these are big squares. And it was a seafood one, and we thought, ooh, like the sound of that. So we went to see if they've got any, and funnily enough, they were out of stock. And I said, well, you know why that is, because everybody else has watched a TV programme like we have and thought, oh, I'll go to Waitrose and get myself one. So, yeah, that's what we've done today. Now, the other parcel I had delivered this week was my new Welsh stamps, which come like this. They're photopolymer, and they're lovely. So I got various different ones, and I thought the best way to show you what they look like is to stamp them out. So bear with me while I get my ink out and a stamp pad. Oh, hang on. Oh yeah, I forgot. I've got to peel off the backing so that they're sticky. Right, okay. Backing number 1. Ooh, very nice. Tell you what I'll do, I'll stamp a few of them out and then I'll show you them all together. And then what I'll do is I'll get a big sheet of paper, I think, and then print them all out. Stamp them all out so that I can put them in I think I showed you in my last video how I keep them. Oh, no, that one's not quite big enough. And did I mention in my last video, when I mentioned that I was buying these, I get them from St Leonards-on-Sea, which I think is hilarious because we used to live near St Leonards-on-Sea. And now I live in North Wales and I still have to get my Welsh stamps from England. But there we are. At least I can get them. So how many did I order? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I ordered 10 altogether. And it's just to have a nice variety, really. That's 3. Now this one might only just be big enough. Or the stamp block might just be big enough. Oh, yeah, just. That might not come out terribly well first time. Oh, no, that's good. Well, I do like it when they come out nicely. Right, so does it say on here where they are? Yes, they're on Bexhill Road in St Leonards-on-Sea. And the company is called stampingallday.co.uk. They obviously do English stamps as well, but it's useful that they do Welsh ones, because I haven't found anybody else that does them anywhere else. I have asked if Stampin Up would ever consider doing them, but to them it's going to be such a niche market that it's probably not worth their effort. Especially seeing as they're basically an American company. Which is why I do struggle sometimes, well, not all the time, but there was one stamp set at Christmas last year, which I would have loved, but being a bit of a grammar Nazi, I could not bear the thought of stamping something where the word counsellor, as in mighty counsellor, Prince of Peace, and all the names of God that you get. Counsellor was spelt the American way with one L, and I just couldn't do it. I said, no, I'm sorry, can't do it. So, right, nearly finished. Another 3 to do, and then I can show you what they all look like. But yeah, they're not too bad. I think they all cost, I don't know, between £3 and £4 each. Ooh, this is probably not quite the right size. Oh, that's right. For a minute I thought I'd stuck it on upside down. Right, let's see. Is that gonna... Nope, that's right. Oh, that is nice. Yeah, I think I'd have to use a slightly wider one than that. And then last 2 coming up. Then I can show you what they are. I'll tell you what they say in English. I've got 2 exactly the same. Well, not exactly the same. I mean the same words, but slightly different text. Oh, but then I did the same with the backing. There we go. Right, so here we are. So I've got Pen Blue with Happis, which is Happy Birthday. Gyda Chydymdeimlad. I still struggle to pronounce that one, which is with sympathy. Cartref Newydd, which is New Home. Nadolig Llawen a Blwyddyn Newydd Dda, which is Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Another Pen Blue with Happis. And then a Bachgen Bach in 2 different styles, which means baby boy. Merchfach in 2 different styles, baby girl. And Meddwl Amdanoch is thinking of you. So that'll be nice to add those to my stock. What I'll probably do is stamp them out on pages and then put them into sections, so like home, baby, Christmas, birthday and other greetings, because I'll have quite a few then. Oh, I was going to show you the box that I've got my other ones in, but it's underneath all those other things that I showed you just now, so I won't. Anyway, that's me, I think, for now. I think the next video I do will probably be the kit. So look out for that one, and I think that's me done for now. Thank you very much for watching. Hwyl am y tro.